Well, ladies and gents, you wouldn't believe it. I'm right next to where I found hammered coin. I left a little sort of mound of land just to mark the spot. But new machine, knocked a legend. It's not even small, obviously, but look at that. That came out at 55. Looks silver. Probably not silver, but yeah, I mean, that come up as a 65. Really high pitch. I'm on 60 tones, multi 1, sensitivity 26, and field, in the field mode. I've left everything else as it is, ground balanced obviously, but look at that. What a beauty. I'm hoping this Noctomactro legend can pluck out more bits and pieces like this that perhaps the Nox has missed.